getting into kind of a shallow spot. So I have a 51-inch Bonga here, and it's going to come in really handy right now. I just reduced the length of my blade, so I'm using a really short paddle, but it has more of a ratio of shaft to blade, so it's easier to maneuver in this really shallow section of the creek. I normally paddle with a Sliver, which would essentially just be a push stick in this situation. And this 51-inch Bonga is actually my first choice as a backup paddle to the Sliver.